Hi class, my name is Guok and I'm from Vietnam. Today I would like to give a presentation about one of the interesting Vietnamese tradition, and that is about marriage. Vietnamese marriage is similar to Chinese marriage too. And as I explain or go in detail in this presentation, I would like you to ponder what has been changed in this tradition. And the process of marriage, and there are 4 steps in marriage process. First, the couple will do a marriage registration, and then they will have proposal ceremony, and after that they will be engaged, or they will have an engagement ceremony. Finally, they will have a wedding. So I will go in detail in this process. Marriage registration. Mostly, these steps are the same to another marriage in throughout the world. The couple need to go to the People's Committee at their country, in their ward or city or some place that they lived. And then they will fill out all the document required there. And after finish this step, this couple will have a proposal ceremony. This step for nowadays is cut off because Vietnamese people nowadays, they just want their marriage as short as possible, so they cut off this step. But I will explain this step so you can understand the Vietnamese marriage in the past. In this ceremony, the family of both bride and groom will meet together, and they will discuss what they need in this marriage. And usually the bride's family will require for the offerings from the groom's family. After they agreed about all these things, they will start to have marriage. Engagement ceremony. In this ceremony, the groom's family will fulfill their promise that they made, at the bride's family. In this ceremony, they will bring all the offering that the bride's family require. And as you see on this offerings, they cover the red paper, and these red papers mean that represent happiness, because they want their son and daughter happy in their marriage, so they do these things. And usually the offering will include betel, wine, tea, peach cakes, and a couple of candles. After the bride's family check and they feel like all the um, offerings that they required are enough, they will allow the groom to have a wedding. So just explain a little bit about the wedding. In Vietnamese culture, a couple will hold 2 times of wedding in their marriage. So the first wedding will be held in the bride's family, and another wedding will be held at the groom's family. I will talk about what they will do in the bride's house. First, the groom will be required to bow down before the altar of the bride's family to greet her ancestors. And then the groom will be required to greet her grandparent, and then her parent, and then her brothers and sisters. And after that, he will receive gifts from them, as many or the special gift that they will want to give him. And after that, both of them will have a party at the bride's house. And when they finish their party, this time the groom will take his wife to his family, and they will do another wedding there. In this wedding, it is not different from the wedding at the bride's house, but in this wedding, the bride will be required to bow down before the altar of the groom's family, and then she will do the same as the groom did at her family. She will greet his grandparent, his parent, and his brothers and sisters, and she will receive gifts from them, and then they will have a party, and that is all about Vietnamese marriage. Thank you so much. Bye bye.